Hey guys, another unboxing video I have for you guys today. I got another box from Jomar. They actually messed up the shipping labels and the box that I got yesterday. I thought I was getting today and yeah, So anyway, yesterday I got the 25-piece denim box. Today I got the 20-piece denim shorts box. This is junior shorts. It was $33. That comes out to $1.65 a pair. Here we go. First pair is from American Eagle. These are the 90s boyfriend shorts. These are size 10. I wish I got this box sooner, like in the summertime, because I sold so many pairs of American Eagle shorts over the summer. Like, it was crazy. I ordered this box on September 5th. It is September 30th today when I received it. But yeah, I wish I got these over the summer because these would have sold. I mean, they'll still sell. I don't know who's buying shorts now. You know, it's fall time. It is still hot some places, so I don't know. We'll see. But these are cute. That's what I got. These are more American Eagle. These are the super stretch midi shorts, size 4. I sold a couple of midi shorts as well. These are cute, like khaki color. Shorts are super easy to list too. I'm gonna list these very quickly. Some Levi's. These are 501. Okay. These are size 28. Okay, so good size. Button fly. These are cute. Cute. Fashion Nova shorts. These are size 14. So bigger size. Okay. Looks like that. American Eagle stretch shorts. Size 0. Just says American Eagle stretch. These are like the older style. These are short. My butt would be falling out. Right, we've got American Eagle. I'm not mad at it, guys. I'm not mad at American Eagle because I sold a shit ton. These are midi shorts. These are size 16. Okay, good. We're getting bigger sizes. Yes. We got some pool jeans. I've never heard of this brand. Size 38. These are bigger for sure. These are cute. I've never heard of this brand. Pool jeans. Aeropostale. High-waisted shorty shorts. These are a size 6. Look at that. Cute. These are Abercrombie, size 4. Just Abercrombie. Cuffed shorts. These are, oh, this is a Walmart brand. I don't know actually what the name of this brand is. I just know this tag. SO. I don't know what it stands for. I don't know. I can't read it. It's kind of like coming off. But these are high-rise shorty shorts. These are a size 3. These won't sell for much. I mean, again, I got these for $1.65 a pair. So if I can sell these for like 10 bucks, then you know. Okay, we have some Forever 21 shorts. These are a size 26. Like that. More Forever 21 shorts, size 27. Why do these look smaller than those ones? This looks small. I mean, it's super stretchy. Well, okay, it is really stretchy. Never mind. American Eagle. These are the next level stretch shorty shorts, size 0. More American Eagle super stretch shorts, size 2. Massimo high-rise midi shorts, size 10. It says size 10 or 30 waist. This is a Target brand. So I'm glad I got, you know, a good amount of bigger sizes. Oh, there's more. What? Hold on, there's a bunch more. All right, some Abercrombie low-rise shorts, size 00. More American Eagle next level stretch midi shorts, size 6. Hollister shorts, size 0 or a 24. More American Eagle super stretch, super low shorty shorts, size 4. And just briefly, like, looking at these, I haven't found any like stains or flaws or anything. Last pair of more American Eagle super stretch high-rise shorty shorts in a 00. I just counted. I did get 20 shorts in my, actually, I don't know. I haven't edited that video, but I think in my previous unboxing, I was supposed to get 25 pairs of jeans and I only got 24. Again, I'm gonna have to double check when editing. So do I think this box was worth it? Absolutely. Again, it was $33 for 20 pairs of shorts. That was on sale. That's not the usual cost of the box. So yeah, so this box was definitely worth it. The jeans box, Well, you'll just have to watch that video to see if it was worth it. But yeah, I'm excited about this. I'm gonna hurry up and get this stuff listed. And yeah, if there's anything that you guys saw in this video that you want to purchase, make sure to check out my Poshmark closet. If you guys want to check out Jomar, I will have a link down below. You will get a percentage off if you use my link. And yes, I do make a commission. But just because I'm affiliated with them doesn't mean really anything. It doesn't sway my opinion, as you'll see if you watch my jeans box unboxing. But yeah, just know that these are mystery boxes. If you purchase from them, it could be a good box, it could be a shitty box, it could be a mix of both. It's a gamble. So, you know, don't get mad at me if you buy a box and you don't like it. It's the name of the game. It's what it is. I know there has been some controversy with Jomar, but I have always had good experience with them. And no, they don't treat me special because they know who I am. Like, no, it's definitely not like that. Apparent from the jeans box. Again, watch that video. So yeah, so I just want to throw that out there because I know some people are like, oh, well, they treat influencers better, they send them better boxes. No, that's not the case. It's not at all. And if it was, I'd be the first to tell you guys, like, honestly. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.